I'm going to show you how you can link your Visual Studio Code to GitHub. This is useful if you want to just sync your work straight to your public GitHub profile, and is quite simple to do so. So the first thing we need to do is open up Visual Studio, and then in the bottom left, navigate to the settings cogwheel, click that, and then select backup and sync settings. With this now open, what we need to do is click sign in the top right, and then click sign in with GitHub. You'll receive a pop-up like this, and essentially all you need to do is authorize or log in, then authorize to your GitHub so they're both synced up. And again, just click authorize again, and then go ahead and press open Visual Studio Code once this is done. Once you've done that, on the top left, click the extensions, and then in the search box, type in GitHub. So what you're looking for is GitHub pull requests. So just press the install button there, which will allow you to review and manage GitHub pull requests and issues in Visual Studio.